Blue Lock Nagi update. The new Nagi rework. Now, Nagi is making a huge debut. The next update. We have all the new and working codes. So you can actually get yourself a bunch of free lucky spins. If you didn't already see the trailer, Chirolo dropped a trailer. So you can go ahead and watch that on Chirolo's channel. I'm not really sure what his channel is called to be exact, but you will find it if you do know about Chirolo. It's pretty easy to find, I think. But we do have every single new working code inside of the next update. Now, Nagi update will be dropping soon. And we got the whole event leaked. It's all leaked. Everything is leaked. Blue Lock. If you join the Discord server of Blue Lock, they actually posted the trailer. Now Nagi coming this Saturday. I can share some screenshots as well. Hold on, let's see. What do you mean? No. Okay, so you just gotta click I'm not using a blocker, and then you just gotta, you know, and then you just press on OK, and then you're all Gucci. You're all Gucci Tamaguchi. You don't have to do anything else. Perfect. Wait, so I mean the trailer is kind of boring, to be honest. Like, there is nothing there. I mean, there is a picture. There's a picture of my man's looking buff. NEL Nagi. Right. So this is going to be probably an upcoming code, but Summer Part 1, exclamation point, redeem this one as well. Redeem this one as well. If you don't have slots, if you don't have any slots in Blue Lock, if you need any slots in Blue Lock, comment a heart emoji. Comment a heart emoji if you don't have a slot in Blue Lock. Any of them will do. So if you do need some slots in the Blue Locks rivals, just comment a heart emoji in the comments down below. We're doing slot giveaways on this video. The next code will be Summer Part 2. Summer Part 2. These are a couple upcoming codes that you need to get before the update drops. Subscribe for future codes. Don't miss out on the future updates. Like and redeem every single one of these codes.